Stock number 408-18Y. It is a 2012 Audi A6. It does have a key. It does not start. See the front bumper's got paint problems. Front bumper's probably no good. The grill's good. The hood's good. Front fender's no good. Back door's got some paint problems, some parking lot dings. Parking lot ding, quarter panel. Those are all paint problems, surface scratches, dents. There's one more dent right there. Little paint problem right there. Passenger roof airbags deployed. The driver and the passenger seat belts. It does have a key. It does not start. CD player, or the screen comes out right there. See the passenger roof airbag, the seat belt's no good, the side view mirror is no good. It does have a sunroof.
Gotta fix it, the drivetrain dropped, but other than that, it's good.
The seat belt's no good back here. Again, this is seatbelt's no good either. Stock number 408-18Y. It's a 2012 Audi A6. It does have a key. It does not start.